ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
And your tiffin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sit properly. Now we are going to study a topic from the subject biology. Dear students, our body is composed of many organ systems, right? Okay, what are the different organ systems of our body? Yourself? What are the different organ systems of our body? Digestive system, correct? Respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system. Then, which organ system is used to give the birth to young ones? Reproductive system. Very good. Sit down. So these are the different organ systems of the body. Okay. So among these systems, which system is used for the taking the stimulus and giving the response? Huh? Who told? You also. Stand up. What is this? Nervous system. Nervous system is used for the transmission of nerve impulses, give stimulus and response. Right? Very good. Sure. How to classify the nervous system? There are different types in the nervous system. What are those? What are those? Stand up. Correct. Central nervous system. One more. One is the center, correct? Then one more. Peripheral nervous system. Very good. Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Good. So these are the two types of nervous system. Okay. Among these two types of nervous system, which one is most important system? Central nervous system. Central nervous system is considered as very important nervous system. Okay, what are the two parts of central nervous system? There are two parts in the central nervous system. Because of the presence of the two parts, it is considered as very important system. Stand up. Brain and spinal cord. Very good. Brain and spinal cord are the two important parts of the central nervous system. Okay? Correct. Sir. Among these two, brain and spinal cord, which is elongated?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Very good. Spinal cord is elongated. Okay, what are the structural details of the spinal cord? Okay. No? Okay, dear students, you are all familiar with the different organ system, that too the central nervous system, and still you need to know the structural details of the spinal cord. Let us study this through the topic spinal cord. Now let us understand structure and function of spinal cord. The spinal cord, as you know already, elongated structure. Okay. So this is the brain and it is the spinal cord. You know where it is situated? Backbone or vertebral column. What is the other name of this? Vertebral column. It is situated in the vertebral column. You come here. Let me see where it is situated. So this is the brain. This is where the brain is situated, and from the brain, so this spinal cord develops like this. So this is the vertebral column. Inside the vertebral column, there will be a thread-like structure that is the spinal cord. Understood? So this is the location of the spinal cord in the body. Did you understand where it is situated and how it is? It is an elongated thread-like structure. Okay? So this is the brain and this is the spinal cord. And around the spinal cord, so there will be spinal nerves like this. Okay? Totally 31 pairs. 31 pairs of spinal nerves can be seen all around the spinal cord. Okay? Now let us take the section, a transverse section of spinal cord in order to understand the structure and function of the spinal cord. Okay? Now I will try to enlarge it. Let us see the structure. It will be like this. Can you see? It will continue like this on both the sides. Here there will be an opening on both the sides, and from this place a canal develops from both the sides. This kind of nerve will develop this side also. Okay, and you can see two metals here. This is the brain matter. This. This is the gray matter. And this is white matter. And you can see two canals, one and one more. So this is dorsal canal. And this is ventral canal. This is the ventral canal. And this is the dorsal canal. And here, this spinal nerve. And in the center, there will be a canal called the central canal. So this is the transverse section of spinal. Okay. So is structure of spinal cord. Here there will be two types of matter. One is the white matter and gray matter. And two types of canals. One is upwards and one more is downwards. So this is the ventral canal and this is the dorsal canal on both the sides. And as I told, there will be 30 pairs of spinal nerves. So this is one pair. See? This is the spinal, one pair. This is the spinal nerve, and in the middle there will be a canal that is called the central canal. Okay. So this is the structure of spinal cord. Did you understand the structure of it? Now let us understand the function of the spinal cord. You know where the spinal cord is situated in the body. Okay? What are the different organs of the body which are situated near to the spinal cord? Huh? Kidney, then lungs, heart, brain. Not the brain. Brain is separate. Near to the spinal cord, I am asking. Lungs, correct? Kidney, correct? Heart. Then stomach, gallbladder. So these are the different organs situated near the spinal cord. And the spinal cord will control the functions of all these things. Okay? Huh? So the functions of all these organs is not in our control. Is it in our control? No. If the function is in our control, what that function is called as? Voluntary functions. If the function of an organ is in our control, that is considered as voluntary. You stand up. If it is not in our control, involuntary. If the function of the organ is not in our control, then that is called as the involuntary function. Right? Okay, as you told, the functions of different organs, the functions like lungs, heart, intestine, kidney. Is it the functions of all these organs in our control? Then what kind of functions all these are? These are all the involuntary functions. Okay, these functions are controlled by which organ? Brain or spinal cord? Spinal cord. Then what is the function of spinal cord? One function of spinal cord.
It controls major functions of organs.
What kind of functions it is?
For example, beating of
See,
heart.
I am doing this. It is in our control. It is controlled by brain. What function it is? Voluntary function. It is controlled by which organ? Brain. It is controlled by brain. But you told different organs. The functions of those organs are not in our control. Which is controlled by which part of the central nervous system control the functions of all these organs? Spinal cord. What functions these are? Involuntary. Very good. The one function of the spinal cord is controlling the involuntary functions of the different organs of the body. Okay? Very good. Stop. So this is one. And one more function is that reflex actions. Now let us understand the reflex action. Imagine there will be hot water, very hot water in a tumbler. By chance, you touch the hot water. Then what will be your reaction? Hand in hot water. Okay. You put the hand in hot water with chance. Then what kind of reaction you show? Huh? You take the hand back. Quickly or slowly? Quickly. You take the hands back very quickly. Okay, what kind of reaction it is? No, intentional reaction. Intentionally you take it back or automatically it takes place? Huh? Automatically. Okay. It is an automatic and quickly or slowly? Quick reaction. It is an automatic and quick reaction to a stimulus. Hot water is the stimulus and taking the hand very quickly is the reaction. Stimulus and reaction, and it is automatic and quick. Okay, see, so not by touching it, by taking the decisions, you won't take the hands back. Oh, it is the hot water, it is burning, it is giving pain, so that's why I need to take the hands back. Will you take a decision like this? No. Without our consciousness, it happens. So that's why it is automatic reaction. Okay? Very good. Let us take one more example. Step. So you are walking, and during walking, you are about to put your foot on the soil or mud, but you came to know that there will be a snake under the foot. Okay, you are about to put your foot on the snake. Then immediately, what will you do? You will take the leg back slowly or quickly. What kind of reaction it is? Automatic. Step on snake, for example. Okay, what kind of reaction it is? Automatic. Automatic and quick reaction. Quick reaction to a stimulus. Right? Okay, one more example. For example, iron box. You are pressing the cross. During pressing the glass, by chance, you touch the iron box which is very hot. Then what will be your reaction? Take the hands back. How will be the reaction? Automatic and quick reaction to stimulus. Okay. So these kind of actions are called as the reflex actions. They are called as the reflex actions. Okay. Then what is the meaning of reflex action? Any one of you? Yourself, Valerie? What is the meaning of reflex action?
There is a stimulus, then we react automatically and quickly.
There will be a stimulus. One, if there is a automatic and quick reactions to a stimulus, then that kind of reactions are called as the reflex actions. If it is not automatic, if it is not slow, that is not the reflex action. As Kaveri told, to a stimulus, if there is an automatic and quick reaction, then that is reflex action. Okay? Automatic and quick reaction to stimulus is called as the reflex action. Okay. Give some other example to situations where we see these reflex actions in our day-to-day life situations. In many situations, we show this kind of reflex actions. Give the examples. Right. Okay, during charging.
When we plug in, sometimes it gives shock.
It gives light shock. Okay? Light shock. Electric shock. Then we show the reflex action. Very good, sir. One more example.
When we are walking in the road,
if any vehicle suddenly comes, then we should give the reflex action. Okay? When we come across with the vehicle. Then. In many instances, we will show the reflex actions when we do live situations. Okay, during the and wait. If we feel this experience immediately, we will show the reaction. Okay. Imagine you are walking. You are supposed to put the step, but you come to know that there is a glass piece under your foot. What will you do? Immediately, glass piece, etc. So these are the some situations where we show the reflex actions. You understand about reflex actions? Okay, this is the one more function of the spinal cord. Reflex actions are also controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, what would happen if there are no reflex actions? Huh?
There are no reflex actions, we hurt ourselves also.
Ah.
We do not take any
If you fail to show the reflex actions, what happens in that situation? The situation is emergency. Very dangerous situation that will be. Okay, if you show the reflex actions, we can escape from the situation without any troubles. Okay, if you fail to show the reflex action, what happens? Huh? You are in front of a vehicle which is coming very fast. What happens? There will be chances of accident. Big trouble it leads to. You are putting the step on a snake. If you fail to show the reflex action, what happens? You face a big trouble. While touching the water also, it causes a lot of damage to the hand. Big trouble. See how useful the reflex action. Huh? So this is the consequences if there are no reflex actions. Right? So that is the importance of reflex action. Sit down. So this is about the structure and function of spinal cord. Did you understand? Okay. What are the different matters of the spinal cord?
white matter,
Ah,
gray matter.
white matter and
Gray
gray matter. Very good, sir. Then, okay. How many pairs of spinal nerves are there in the human body? Huh? 31 pairs of spinal nerves are there in the human body. Okay, what is the meaning of reflex action? Yourself? Automatic and quick reaction. Yeah? Stimulus is called as the reflex action. Very good, sir. Finished.